Alright, today we're going to be reviewing these Zippo tinder shreds. It says they burn up to 8 minutes and they're water resistant and they ignite with spark or flame. So we're going to be testing these out, and we're going to be testing these SOL fire cubes, and they also should light with a spark or flame, and they are water resistant and they should burn up to 8 minutes. So we're going to be testing those. So that is the Zippo tinder shreds. We are first going to be trying it to light it with a spark. Doesn't really seem to be wanting to light with a spark, so we are going to try it with flame. So it does light with flame, but it doesn't light with spark, and if it does, it doesn't light with spark very well. So let's see if it's waterproof. Alright, it looked decently waterproof, but I mean, you can't submerge it. So now let's see if we can light it whenever it is wet. Alright, now with the wet tinder shreds, let's see if they still light with a lighter. Alright, so it does light with a lighter whenever it is wet. Just doesn't totally burn for that long of a time. And it doesn't have as big as a flame. So those I think are pretty good. Now we are going to test the SOL fire cubes. Oh, we got it light, but oh yeah, you can see the flame there. Yeah, that flame is barely visible. Alright, let's see if it can hold up to water. So it holds up about the same as the Zippo tinder shreds. Alright, it doesn't look like it lights with a spark whenever it is wet. Let's try if it lights with a lighter when it's wet. Alright, it does light with a lighter fairly quickly whenever it is wet.